John Wiley & Sons and Nightly Business Report present the Wiley Business Video Series. This CD-ROM has been prepared exclusively for use with the Operations Management and Management Science programs.
If you have anything to sell, Amazon wants you to join its online shopping mall. The Internet's retail giant today announced Z-Shops, a program that allows anyone to sell through its website, from major manufacturers to home-based businesses.
We've got Trappist monks selling jams, jellies, and preserves. We've got somebody who's selling miniature stadiums. We've got people selling digital cameras, so it goes from the mundane to the bizarre. We've got over 500,000 items already launching tomorrow morning under Z-Shops.
Amazon began selling books, then expanded into music, videos, electronics, toys, and more. Many of these products it stocks in its own warehouses, adding to its costs and overhead. Z-Shops work differently. Amazon hosts the seller's web pages and processes the orders. The seller maintains inventory and handles shipping. For this, Amazon charges a fee of $9.99 a month and collects a percentage of the sales price. With virtually no overhead, Amazon's margin for Z-Shop revenue should be much higher than on its traditional businesses, but revenue lower.
I think the bottom line impact will not be terribly significant in the next year or so. I think that this is not going to accelerate profitability for the company, and I don't think it's going to mean that I'm going to have to materially change my revenue forecasts in the coming few quarters either. So I actually didn't think it was as significant as the market did, but who am I to say? The stock's up 14 points.
Those 14 points amount to nearly 23% as investors had their say in dramatic style. Amazon stock reached its usual daily volume in less than an hour after the announcement. That's a healthy vote of investor confidence in a company that is still without profits.
All companies have to be profitable in the long term, or you don't get to keep doing anything for customers. But right now, we're going to continue our strategy of investing very heavily in making the customer experience even better. That's one of the things that Z-Shops is all about, helping people find things that they could never find. And we're going to continue on that strategy. We believe it's the right strategy.
Amazon is not the first internet site to host small businesses, but it attracts far more customers than any other site, nearly 12 million to date. Scott Kirby, Nightly Business Report, New York.